Hey YouTube, it's Lip Balm Queen here. Just want to get here today, and I wanted to do the second part of my video I did with Holly. Holly swap box she sent me. So this is part 2. She sent me some items she wanted me to taste test on my channel. So I'm gonna jump on in and just go ahead and start trying these things. She got me these first things called jam mallows. So I'm going to try these. I don't know what it's supposed to... I don't know. I'm not even going to look. I'm just going to try them. They look really interesting. They look like snowballs with like jelly and like a shortbread cookie underneath. So I'm going to try them out. Hang on a second. They're sticking together. So it looks like this. Oh my gosh. That's good. Oh wow. I really like those. Wow. I'm gonna finish it. That was good, Holly. She got me these tea cakes. I don't know if you have to eat them with, if you have to drink them or eat them with tea, or if you can just eat them by themselves. Getting ready to find out. But they come like this. Okay. It's like a big marshmallow. And it's got a little wafer. It's like chocolate on the outside, then a marshmallow and like a wafer on the bottom. Oh wow. That's really good. I like that. Thank you so much, Holly. I'll finish that later. But that's what those were. Those were the Tunics or Tunox milk chocolate tea cakes. And then she got me these little they're made from Holland, little like milk chocolate candies. Like a little chocolate wafer. Those are good. Just solid milk chocolate. And then she got me another pack, and these are in the milk chocolate and the white chocolate. They're half and half. Oh, they're so cute. Look at them. That's some good chocolate. Then she got me a it's a dark chocolate confection, and it's called Prince Polo. And it's like it almost looks like a it's just like a chocolate wafer. That's what it looks like. It looks like this. Then I'll just break off a piece. And then inside it has like the wafer. That is really good. Oh wow. That's probably my favorite so far. That is so good. The Prince Polo. That's super good. Then she got me these little things here. And I'm not sure how you pronounce it, so I'm not going to try, but they're from the brand Milka. And they're the little drops. I've never had these before. And there's two different colors. There's a purple and there's a white. is chocolate and white chocolate inside. It's like eating a big M&M. See, they're like chocolate with like the white chocolate in the middle. Those are good. I never had them before. Those are good. Then she got me a Milka bar. I never had this before either. She actually, all the stuff I'd never had before. This is brand new to me. Oh, they're so cute. There's like a little baby pieces like that. That's cute. It's like milk chocolate and like a shortbread wafer with it. Oh my god, it's so good. Then she got me an English creamy toffee from Walker's. I'm gonna try that for y'all. Looks like this. It's like a little caramel looking. That's good. It's a real rich caramel taste. It's really good. That's super good. Thank you so much, Holly. You picked out some good stuff. And then I've always heard good things about this here, but I've never tried it before. These are individually wrapped, and they're called Kinder chocolates. And they're like little Kit Kat bars, like, but they're like all individually wrapped. And it says rich in milk. Excuse me. I don't know why I guess I've seen so much chocolate. But this is what they look like. Chocolate on the outside and like a milky center, like a cream. That's good. Holly, you did good. These are good. And there's like 8 bars in there. They're individually wrapped. Those are good. Then she picked me up Uncle Joe's mint balls. Never heard of that in my entire life, so I'm gonna try those out. If I can open it. My fingers don't want to work today. And they look like this. Like a little candy. They remind me of, they're really good, but they remind me of like the Ricola cough drops. Those are good. Which I like those cough drops, so. Those are good. And then she got me, the Lips lollipop, which I'm not going to eat because I'm going to probably keep this and save it for a decoration. But she got me a Smoochy Lip lollipop. I don't know if it's flavored or not. It says it's artificially flavored, but I don't know what it's flavored for. I don't know. It doesn't say the flavor, but I think it's super cute with the lips. Just on the Lip Balm Queen. And then she got me this awesome stuff, which I have not tried yet, and I will try this later on. I won't do it on video, but the Nescafe Hazelnut, it's coffee and sweetened creamer. the Nescafe. Super excited to try this. I haven't never tried this before. And all you do is you take 2 teaspoons. Sorry, I got this in my mouth. And you dip, you scoop it into a mug, add hot water, and stir and enjoy. So I can't wait to try this tonight. And then she got me this beautiful smoochy lip cup to go with my awesome stuff she got me, the Nescafe. So I'll be washing this cup up and trying my Nescafe stuff tonight. So I'm super excited about this. So Holly, you did awesome on this. There's only one more thing in this box, and I'm getting ready to try it after I get this mint thing chewed up. Let's see. It's from Nestle. It's called Lion. It's a candy bar. And I don't know exactly what's in it. Oh well, it's better just to bite it and find out, right? Okay, I'm gonna take this mint thing out of my mouth so I can chew this up, so my video is not super long. But it looks like this. It almost looks like a Nutrageous like candy bar, like the way the outside looks. So I'm just gonna bite it and try it and find out. Okay. It's got chocolate and caramel and like a wafery, like down there, like a wafer. It's got a different taste though. I'm trying to think of what it is that's making it taste different. To me, it almost has like a peanut butter taste inside. But I don't see where it says it has peanut butter. It might be a mixture of the mint flavor that I have in my mouth from that mint ball, but it is good though. It tastes really good. But I'm super excited to try these different products out, stuff I've never tried before. Thank you so much, Holly. Guys, this is so much fun. I love doing swaps with her because she always gets stuff that just like either makes me laugh or something I'm really gonna enjoy. I just never know. It's like always up in the air. I never know what it's gonna be. I'm drinking my Lipton mixed berry green tea to kind of wash my palate here. So thank you so much, Holly, for doing the swap with me. I really appreciate it, and I love everything you got me. You didn't have to go this overboard, but you did. But I do appreciate it, and I just want to thank you for this, and thank everybody for staying and watching the video, part 1 and part 2. And I hope you have a blessed day, and thank you again, Holly. And I will link Holly's link to her channel in the description box down below so you can check her out. And I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.